Cluck yeah, time to build your dream coop. So you're ready to join the wonderful world of backyard chickens? Get ready for fresh, delicious eggs and hours of entertainment watching your feathered friends. The first step? Building a cozy and safe coop for your flock. Don't worry, it's easier than you think, even if you're new to DIY. Building your own coop is super rewarding. You get to customize it to fit your needs and your backyard. Plus, it's a fun project for the whole family. We're going to walk through everything step by step, so you can build the perfect chicken coop with confidence. Ready to get started? Let's turn your chicken raising dreams into a reality. Grab your hammer, and let's get building. Before we grab our tools, let's talk design. Chicken coops come in all shapes and sizes, from simple A-frame coops to elaborate walk-in palaces. The best design for you depends on your flock size, your available space, and your building skills. A-frame coops are perfect for beginners. They are simple to build and don't require a lot of materials. Plus, they are easy to move around your yard. Walk-in coops are great for larger flocks, or if you want extra space to work in. You can stand up inside to collect eggs and clean. No matter what design you choose, make sure your coop has good ventilation, easy access for cleaning, and is predator-proof to keep your chickens safe and sound. Building a chicken coop doesn't require a lot of fancy tools. You probably already have most of what you need in your garage or tool shed. Here's a handy list to check off as you gather your supplies. Hammer for pounding nails and being awesome. Saw, a hand saw or circular saw will work for cutting wood. Drill makes it easier to drive screws and pre-drill holes. Tape measure, measure twice, cut once. This is a must-have. Level, keep everything straight and sturdy. Safety glasses. Protect your eyes from flying wood chips. Work gloves, protect your hands and prevent splinters. Pencil, for marking your cuts and making important notes. Remember, safety first. Always wear your safety glasses and work gloves when using power tools. Now that we have our tools, let's talk about materials. Section 4. Building your coop. One nail at a time. Time for the fun part, building. This is where your vision starts to take shape, and you can see the fruits of your planning and hard work. We'll start with the basic structure of the coop, then move on to the fun details like nesting boxes and roosting bars. These elements not only provide comfort for your chickens but also make your coop functional and efficient. Remember, these are general guidelines, so feel free to adjust based on your chosen co-op design. Step 1. The frame. The frame is the foundation of your coop, providing the necessary support for the entire structure. The frame is the backbone of your coop. It's crucial to use quality materials and ensure that everything is securely fastened. Use sturdy lumber like 2x4s to create the walls and roof supports. These pieces will bear the weight of the roof and provide stability to the entire structure. Make sure everything is level and square for a strong and stable coop. This step is essential to prevent future issues with the structure. Step 2. The walls. Cover the frame with plywood or OSB, which stands for Oriented Strand Board. These materials are durable and provide excellent protection against the elements. These materials provide a solid barrier against the elements and keep your chickens safe from drafts. Proper insulation is key to maintaining a comfortable environment for your flock. Step 3. The roof. Add a waterproof roof to protect your flock from rain and snow. A well-constructed roof will ensure that your chickens stay dry and healthy, regardless of the weather. Asphalt shingles are a popular and affordable option. They are easy to install and provide excellent protection against the elements. Make sure the roof overhangs the walls to prevent water damage. This small detail can significantly extend the life of your coop by keeping water away from the walls and foundation. Take your time, double-check your measurements, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Building a coop can be a fun and rewarding project, especially when shared with friends or family. Building a coop is a learning experience, and every nail you hammer brings you one step closer to fresh eggs. Enjoy the process and take pride in your work, knowing that you are creating a safe and comfortable home for your chickens. Section 5. Making it home sweet home for your feathered friends. The basic structure is up. Now it's time to add the features that will make your coop a comfortable and functional home for your chickens. A well-designed coop not only ensures the health and happiness of your flock, but also makes your daily chores easier and more efficient. Nesting boxes. These cozy boxes are where your hens will lay their eggs. It's important to provide enough nesting boxes to prevent competition and stress among your hens. A good rule of thumb is one nesting box for every 3-4 hens. Make them easy to access for egg collecting. This will save you time and effort, especially if you have a larger flock. Line them with straw or wood shavings for comfort. This not only makes the nesting boxes more inviting but also helps keep the eggs clean and reduces the risk of breakage. Roosting bars. Chickens like to sleep perched up off the ground. Providing adequate roosting space is crucial for their well-being, as it mimics their natural behavior of roosting in trees. Add roosting bars inside the coop. Position them at different heights to give your chickens options and to prevent overcrowding. Make sure they are sturdy and the right size for your chickens to grip comfortably. The bars should be smooth and free of splinters to avoid injury. Ventilation. Fresh air is crucial for healthy chickens. Proper ventilation helps to reduce moisture and ammonia buildup, which can lead to respiratory issues. Add vents or windows to your coop to provide good air circulation. Place them high up to allow hot air to escape and cooler air to flow in. Make sure the vents are covered with wire mesh to keep predators out. This will ensure that your chickens are safe while still benefiting from fresh air. Predator protection. Keep your chickens safe from raccoons, foxes, and other critters. Predators can be a constant threat, so it's essential to reinforce your coop. Use hardware cloth instead of chicken wire for maximum protection. Hardware cloth is more durable and less likely to be breached by determined predators. Reinforce any weak spots in your coop, like doors and windows. Regularly inspect these areas and make necessary repairs to maintain a secure environment. By adding these essential features, you'll create a safe and comfortable haven where your chickens can thrive and lay lots of delicious eggs. A well-maintained coop not only benefits your chickens but also brings you peace of mind, knowing your feathered friends are well cared for. Section 6. How much space do your girls need? Chickens need enough space to roam, flap their wings, and do their chicken thing. They are naturally active creatures and love to explore their surroundings. Providing them with ample space ensures they can engage in their natural behaviors, which is crucial for their well-being. Overcrowding can lead to stress, pecking, and other problems. When chickens are confined to a small area, they can become aggressive and start pecking at each other, which can cause injuries and even lead to more serious health issues. It's important to avoid overcrowding to keep your flock healthy and happy. A good rule of thumb is to provide 2 to 3 square feet of coop space per chicken. This space allows them to move around comfortably inside the coop, especially during the night or bad weather when they are more likely to stay indoors, and 10 square feet of outdoor run space per chicken. This outdoor space is where they will spend most of their day, foraging, dust bathing, and socializing with other chickens. So, for a flock of 4 chickens, you'll need a coop that's at least 8 to 12 square feet. This ensures that each chicken has enough personal space to avoid stress and aggression, and an outdoor run that's at least 40 square feet. This space allows them to engage in their natural behaviors and stay active, which is essential for their physical and mental health. If you have a smaller yard, you can get creative with your run space. Vertical space, multi-level coops, and movable pens can help maximize the area available for your chickens. Consider a chicken tractor, which is a movable pen that allows your chickens to graze on fresh grass. This not only provides them with a variety of foraging options, but also helps keep your lawn healthy by evenly distributing the grazing. Remember, more space is always better. The more room your chickens have, the happier and healthier they will be. They will have more opportunities to exercise, explore, and engage in their natural behaviors. Happy chickens lay more eggs, so give them plenty of room to strut their stuff. A spacious environment not only improves their quality of life, but also boosts their productivity, making it a win-win for both you and your feathered friends. Section 7. Congratulations, you're officially a coop creator. You did it! You built a chicken coop with your own 2 hands, something to be proud of. Now comes the best part, welcoming your new feathered friends to their custom-built home. As you embark on your chicken-keeping journey, remember that every day is a learning experience. Enjoy the fresh eggs, the endless entertainment, and the joy that comes with raising your own flock. Welcome to the wonderful world of backyard chickens. Get ready for lots of cluck and good fun. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Want to learn more? Check out the link in the description.